One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, we're going to look at the pacing for the 178 and 73 and 61 MTEL teacher certification exams. So this is a video for teachers that are taking those general curriculum, history, and language arts exams. This just goes through the pacing, how fast you should be going for each multiple choice and essay section. Let's take a look. Let's just understand the basic structure of these exams. Which one are you taking? A lot of you are taking this, some of you may be taking this, some of you may be taking this right here. Okay, no one is taking this anymore because they discontinued it, correct? The 178 has 60 questions. The 73 and 61 have 100. Thumbs up. How much time do you have on these exams? How much time do you have? In general, you have 4 hours. You should have 4 hours on these tests. So in general, what I would say is for the multiple choice, you're going to want to spend out of that 4 hours, right? You spend 3 hours on the multiple choice and 1 hour on the essay. Does everyone have that? 3 hours on the multiple choice, 1 hour on the essay. Teachers that are doing the 178, which is most of you here, right? You have 3 hours to do 60 questions. That's 180 minutes to do 60 questions. How much time per question is that? Rebecca, that's okay. You can get more time for the essay, but let me just give you the pacing on what it would look like if you did this, okay? That gives you 3 minutes for the multiple choice, right? Right, Rebecca? And an hour to do the essay, which could be thought of as 40 minutes for the essay and 20 minutes to edit the essay. This is a starting point. If you can go faster on the multiple choice, you can have more time on the essay. So if you can cut this down to 2 minutes per question, then you have a lot more time on the essay, right? So those that need more time on the essay have to cut through the questions faster. Thumbs up. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor and give this a big thumbs up. And if you need help on your teacher certification exam for the 178 or the history or language arts exams, I want you to join a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com, check them out. I'm sure you'll find the live classes very helpful. Take care, team. Bye-bye.